If you know these words in English, the chances are you're pretty fluent. Let's take a look at some words in English that you might not have learned yet. Remember that these words may have various meanings, but I have only displayed one meaning to each word.
Aplastar,
Crush, crush.
rasgos,
Traits, traits.
se dio cuenta,
Realized, realized.
sombrío,
Somber, somber.
enfriar,
Chill, chill.
logro,
Feet, feet.
trastorno,
Disorder, disorder.
solitario,
Lonely, lonely.
indefinido,
Indefinite, indefinite.
inconcebible,
Unthinkable, unthinkable.
lidiar,
Cope, cope.
ser voluntario,
Volunteering, volunteering.
voltear,
Flip, flip.
extraño,
Odd, odd.
vinculación,
Bonding, bonding.
fuga,
Leak, leak.
adormecer,
Numb, numb.
advertir,
Warn, warn.
aguja,
Needle, needle.
mancha,
Spot, spot.
barriga,
Belly, belly.
actualizar,
Update, update.
furia,
Rage, rage.
batalla,
Battle, battle.
impedir,
Hinder, hinder.
lodoso,
Muddy, muddy.
profundidad,
Depth, depth.
rechazar,
Reject, reject.
derretir,
Melt, melt.
arrepentirse,
Regret, regret.
almacén,
Warehouse, warehouse.
cerrar de golpe,
Slam, slam.
desear,
Wish, wish.
prohibir,
ban, ban,
intentar,
attempt, attempt,
ordenado,
tidy, tidy,
quemado,
burned, burned,
vistazo,
glimpse, glimpse,
complejo,
complex, complex. Do you like the way I teach English? If you do, please join my Patreon at patreon.com/blabbinit. I have so many useful resources there so that you can learn English quickly. If you join my Patreon, you will have access to digital downloads, shoutouts, and exclusive content. I also provide live chat sessions for members only. In these chat sessions, I will provide you with exercises and dialogues for you to practice directly with me. There will also be a place for you to ask me ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? You will also receive all of the texts to all of the videos that I upload on Blabbinit. I will also include the audio files for you. So check it out and become a member now.
asombroso,
Breathtaking, breathtaking,
procrastinar,
procrastinate, procrastinate,
silenciar,
mute, mute,
desteñir,
fade, fade,
boqueada,
gasp, gasp,
borde,
edge, edge,
inclinado,
tilted, tilted,
hacia arriba,
upward, upward,
emoción,
thrill, thrill,
erróneamente,
mistakenly, mistakenly,
rodar,
roll, roll,
mangas,
sleeves, sleeves,
desafío,
challenge, challenge,
prisa,
rush, rush,
desaparecido,
missing, missing,
fracasar,
fail, fail,
luchar,
struggle, struggle,
doloroso,
sore, sore,
falta,
lack, lack,
agradable,
pleasant, pleasant,
sudoroso,
sweaty, sweaty,
raro,
funky, funky,
percatación,
awareness, awareness,
juzgar mal,
misjudge, misjudge,
cantidad,
amount, amount,
tropezado,
tripped, tripped,
moretón,
bruise, bruise,
ausente,
absent, absent,
en efecto,
indeed, indeed,
elástico,
elastic, elastic,
admitir,
admit, admit,
huelga,
strike, strike,
picadura,
sting, sting,
pecho,
chest, chest,
borroso,
blurry, blurry,
bastante,
rather, rather,
estrabismo,
squint, squint,
endurecer,
stiffen, stiffen,
turnos,
shifts, shifts,
glacial,
icy, icy,
probable,
likely, likely,
perplejo,
puzzled, puzzled,
clave,
clue, clue,
frecuentemente,
frequently, frequently,
hay,
yikes, yikes,
enjuagar,
flush, flush,
gatear,
crawl, crawl,
soportando,
bearing, bearing,
picante,
spicy, spicy,
ajustar,
adjust, adjust,
envejeciendo,
aging, aging,
maceta,
planter, planter,
lloroso,
tearful, tearful,
fluctuar,
fluctuate, fluctuate,
grado,
degree, degree,
al azar,
randomly, randomly,
escoba,
broom, broom,
niebla,
fog, fog,
zumbido,
buzz, buzz,
pañuelo,
tissue, tissue,
desorientado,
disoriented, disoriented,
aumentar,
heighten, heighten.
Olvidadizo.
Forgetful, forgetful.
Dolores.
Aches, aches.
Pepino.
Cucumber, cucumber.
Jurar.
Swear, swear. Hey guys, do you think that these videos are really useful to you? If so, you can support my channel by clicking down below on the thanks button. I hope that you can support me. Let's continue with the video. Did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you soon. You're so amazing. Ciao, my favorite plebanitos.